This Ninja Foodi Personal Smoothie Maker SS101 is designed for people who want serious blending power in a compact, everyday-friendly format, and it succeeds by combining strength, versatility, and convenience into a single streamlined system. Created by Ninja, this blender targets users who go beyond basic smoothies and expect consistent results with frozen fruits, thick smoothie bowls, nut butters, sauces, and nutrient-dense drinks. Instead of trying to replace a full-size countertop blender, it focuses on doing personal blending exceptionally well, making it a strong choice for modern kitchens, active lifestyles, and health-focused routines. The core of this blender is a 1200 peak watt motor powered by Ninja SmartTorque technology, which is specifically engineered to handle heavy loads without stalling. This is a major advantage for anyone who has struggled with weaker personal blenders that require constant shaking, stirring, or added liquid to function properly. The SmartTorque motor maintains consistent speed and torque even when processing dense ingredients, allowing frozen fruits, seeds, and ice to break down smoothly without interrupting the blending cycle. This reliability makes the blending experience more efficient and far less frustrating. One of the standout features of the Ninja Foodi SS101 is its dedicated smoothie bowl maker, which includes a built-in tamper designed to push ingredients toward the blades. This feature is essential for creating thick smoothie bowls that hold their shape rather than turning into drinkable smoothies. With minimal liquid, users can create spoonable blends suitable for toppings, nut butters, and even blender-style ice cream. This capability sets the SS101 apart from many personal blenders that struggle to achieve dense textures without overheating or stalling. In addition to the smoothie bowl maker, the blender includes a 24-ounce nutrient extraction cup that excels at producing smooth, drinkable blends. This cup is optimized for breaking down whole fruits and vegetables into finer textures, resulting in smoothies and frozen drinks that feel balanced and refined rather than gritty. For users focused on nutrition, this extraction capability ensures better incorporation of fiber, vitamins, and plant nutrients into daily drinks without compromising taste or consistency. The versatility of the Ninja Foodi SS101 is reinforced by its 6 one-touch programs, which include options for blending, pulsing, smoothies, extractions, bowls, and spreads. These programs are powered by Ninja Auto IQ technology, which uses timed pulsing and blending patterns to remove guesswork from the process. Instead of manually adjusting speed or duration, users can rely on these presets to deliver consistent results, making the blender approachable for beginners while still useful for experienced users who value efficiency. Portability and storage are key advantages of this personal blender system. The included cups and bowl are designed to be used as both blending containers and serving vessels, reducing cleanup and simplifying transitions from kitchen to travel. Spout lids make it easy to take smoothies on the go, whether heading to work, the gym, or running errands. This design encourages regular use, as the blender integrates smoothly into daily routines rather than feeling like an extra step. Cleaning and maintenance are straightforward, which is critical for appliances intended for frequent use. The removable parts are dishwasher safe, and the base can be wiped clean easily after use. The blade design allows effective blending without excessive buildup, reducing the time and effort required for cleanup. When cleanup is simple, users are more likely to stick with healthy habits instead of reverting to less nutritious convenience options. From a performance standpoint, the Ninja Foodi SS101 demonstrates a clear focus on real-world usage rather than marketing gimmicks. It handles frozen berries, ice, seeds, and thick mixtures with confidence, delivering consistent textures that meet expectations for both drinkable smoothies and thick bowls. This reliability makes it suitable for daily use, whether for breakfast, post-workout recovery, or quick meal supplements. The compact footprint of the blender is another important benefit, particularly for smaller kitchens or shared living spaces. Despite its powerful motor, it does not dominate the countertop or require permanent placement. Its modular design allows components to be stored efficiently when not in use, making it accessible without cluttering the kitchen environment. Value is where the Ninja Foodi SS101 truly stands out. Instead of requiring multiple appliances for smoothies, bowls, and spreads, this system delivers 2 blending formats through one motor base. This reduces cost, saves space, and simplifies decision-making for buyers who want a versatile yet focused solution. The included recipe inspiration guide further supports experimentation and helps users maximize the blender's capabilities from the start. Pros: the Ninja Foodi SS101 offers powerful 1200-watt performance with SmartTorque technology that prevents stalling during heavy blending. It delivers exceptional results for both thick smoothie bowls and smooth nutrient extractions using dedicated containers. One-touch Auto IQ programs simplify blending, while portable cups and dishwasher-safe parts enhance everyday convenience and usability. Cons: the blender is optimized for personal servings rather than large batches, which may limit its appeal for families. Users seeking a full-size countertop blender for soups or large quantities may need an additional appliance. Final verdict and call to action: the Ninja Foodi Personal Smoothie Maker SS101 is an excellent choice for anyone who wants consistent, powerful blending in a compact and versatile system. Its ability to handle frozen ingredients, thick bowls, and smooth extractions makes it a strong investment for health-focused users and busy lifestyles. Click the link in the description below to see the full product specifications and decide if the Ninja Foodi SS101 fits your daily routine. Thanks for watching the video. I hope you found it helpful. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more reviews like this one.